Exploring the Infinite, a journey through language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the wonders of the English language. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, touch the infinite. It's a poetic and profound expression that can add depth to our understanding of English. Let's unravel its secrets together. At first glance, touch the infinite might seem like a complex concept, but it's deeply rooted in human experience and emotion. To touch means to come into contact with something physically. However, when used metaphorically, it suggests experiencing or being affected by something deeply. Infinite refers to something without limits or end, whether it's time, space, or a concept. So, when we say, touch the infinite, we're talking about a profound experience where one feels connected to something boundless or eternal. This could be a moment of awe in nature, a deep spiritual connection, or an overwhelming sense of creativity and inspiration. This phrase is often found in literature and speeches, where it's used to convey moments of enlightenment or transcendence. For example, a character in a novel might touch the infinite when they reach a pivotal moment of personal growth or understanding. Or a speaker might use it to describe the indescribable feeling of looking up at the stars and feeling both insignificant and deeply connected to the universe. In everyday language, it might not be as commonly used, but understanding it enriches our appreciation for the beauty and depth of English. Incorporating touch the infinite into your language can elevate your speech or writing, especially when you're trying to describe experiences that are deeply moving or transformative. Here are a few tips. Use it to describe moments that are beyond ordinary comprehension, where you felt a connection to something greater than yourself. It can be used in reflective writing, poetry, or in speeches to convey a sense of wonder or enlightenment. Be mindful of the context. This phrase carries a weight of profundity and should be used when you truly mean to express something of significant depth. We hope this exploration of touch the infinite has opened up new avenues of understanding and expression for you. Language is a powerful tool that allows us to convey the depth of human experience, and phrases like this remind us of our capacity to feel and connect with the world in profound ways. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together. Stay curious, and keep exploring the infinite possibilities of language.